Hey everyone, I often get asked how I can get my products from Amazon USA to here in the Philippines. I'm here to share with you guys what I do and how I go about this. It's the fastest and it's the most cost effective. And of course, I'm able to consolidate all of my online orders from Amazon USA to just one shipping package. Now, if you're from another country, please don't tune out because you might find more information about this because there are similar services in your countries. So I'll try to help you guys. But again, this is more specific to the Philippines because the service that I'm going to be using or I'm going to be sharing with you guys is operating right here. So what I'm actually talking about is a freight forwarding service. So what is a freight forwarding service? It's just a service that forwards your orders from the specific country that you're ordering from. Like in our example, it's going to be from the USA to here in the Philippines. But of course, in this video, I'm going to be talking about ShippingCart, which is operating here in the Philippines. And I've been using their service for almost 2 years now. And I haven't had any issues even during the pandemic. Now, by the end of this video, if you are eager to use the services of ShippingCart, make sure to use the link in the description box because if you use that, you'll get 15% off from your first time use of their services. So I really hope you'll be able to enjoy that 15% discount. Anyway, I'll be explaining everything after this intro. So the first thing that you really need to do is just to sign up to their website. And I will leave the link in the description box so you guys wouldn't have a hard time trying to look for ShippingCart, but it's so easy. And while you're signing up, I would really appreciate if you guys can use the referral code that I have in the description box. So after signing up, all you need to do is just to order things from USA. Now you have to take note that there are a few online stores that really don't accept this kind of setup. So what you'll essentially be doing here is just to order your items from Amazon or other online stores that are permitted here in ShippingCart, send them to your ShippingCart address, and that's it. You just have to wait for your items to arrive at the ShippingCart warehouse. And once it's all there, you can consolidate all of your items and send them to the Philippines. Now, as for the computation of how much you're going to be paying for the shipping fees, well, it really depends on the weight and the size of the box. I don't have the exact computation here, but just to give you an idea, this has an overall value of about $400. The shipping cost for this is $93. So you just do the conversion. And also the chargeable weight for this is 11.65 pounds. So one of the common questions that I got from my initial videos is whether ShippingCart will deliver the item directly to your place. And in my experience, they do. So I've tried my office address before. That was before the pandemic. And then also my home address. And they do deliver it directly. And it's LBC that ships the items to you. So here we go. These are the items that I ordered. These are very random items. Don't judge me. So I have potato chips here. This is my favorite flavor of Ruffles. Okay, and let's go ahead and taste some of this. Still crunchy. And then we have this one. My favorite chocolate brand. These are Bounty chocolates. By the way, these packages arrived separately at the ShippingCart warehouse. So they were the ones who consolidated this, and you can also see a picture or images of your items once they do arrive at the warehouse. Now this one is a shirt, I believe, that I ordered from Amazon. Yeah. So see, these are very random items. And a cable. And of course, the most expensive item in the box is a motherboard. And yeah, this seems to be the heaviest one as well. So yeah, these are basically the items that I ordered online and directly from Amazon US. Now, another frequent question when it comes to ordering online and having it shipped here to the Philippines is, how do you pay for these things? So there are two ways that I pay. So first is through Amazon gift cards, and that's because I'm an Amazon associate. So that's how I got these things for free. And of course, you can use your credit cards as well, or even your debit cards, even if they're from the Philippines, okay? And then after you've ordered your items and had them delivered to the ShippingCart warehouse, that's when you'll have to pay through ShippingCart using PayPal or your credit card. And if you have promo codes, you can use that as well to get some discount. But that's about it. Alright, so I hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you want to use ShippingCart, again, you have 15% off in your first use of ShippingCart services if you use the link in the description box. Alright, so have fun and enjoy your orders from Amazon USA or from any other online stores from the USA. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.